Hello, what's up sa inyo mga fantastic? At ayan, nagbabalik na naman ang ating panibagong basketball game. At syempre, sobrang espesyal lang ating makakalaban ngayon kasi dinayo pa tayo, galing pa sila ng Davao Bagumbong Dolo, Caloocan. At yan ang team ni Boy Ungas at yan din na natin papatagalin pa. Let's go. At ayan, si Banky nagda-drive, block by Sakuragi, nakuha ni Tiborcio, shot, 1 point by Tiborcio. Now to Tiborcio, pass to Sakuragi. Sakuragi tumira ng 3. Hindi pumasok. Nakuha ni Pororo. Pororo pinasa pero nakuha ni Tiborcio. Tiborcio nag-cross over layup. 1 point again by Tiborcio. And now to Butchokoy. Butchokoy dribbling the ball. Butchokoy nakita si Pacboy. Pacboy tumira ng 3. Walang mintes. Now to Mangrigor. Pass to Tiborcio. Now to Tiborcio, pass to Sakuragi. Sakuragi tumira ng 3. Doesn't make it. Nakuha ni Butchokoy. Now to Butchokoy, hinaharas ni Boy Ungas. Pass to Pacboy. Pacboy nag-jelly jump shot. Grabe naman yun. And now to Tiborcio. Pass to Boy Ungas. Boy Ungas back to Tiborcio. Tiborcio nag-Euro 1-2-5 pero hindi pumasok. Nakuha pa rin ni Tiborcio. Tiborcio shot, hindi pumasok. Natapos yung bola. Nakuha ni Pacboy. Nag-jump shot, crossover. Yes sir, 1 point by Pacboy. And now to Mangrigor, pass to Boy Ungas. Boy Ungas, pass to nobody but you. And now to Butchokoy. Butchokoy, ang ganda ng pasa sa ilalim pero hindi nakuha ni Boy Ungas. Tinira, hindi pumasok. Naribaw ni Banky. Now to Banky. Pinasa kay Pororo. Tinira, hindi pumasok. Nakuha ulit ni Pororo. Tinira ulit, hindi pa rin pumasok. Binigay na kay Banky. 1 point by Banky. And now to Boy Ungas. Pass to Tiborcio. Tiborcio, pass to Mangrigor. Mangrigor ang mabadali. Pinasa kay Boy Ungas. Now to Boy Ungas na sa ibang bola. Pinasa kay Tiborcio. Tumira ng 3. Kulang sa gulay. At nakuha ni Pororo. Power dunk. Follow up by Pororo. And now to Mangrigor. Mangrigor dribbling the ball. Mangrigor pass to Sakuragi. Hindi pumasok. Nakuha ni Pororo. Power dunk. Follow up again by Pororo. Now to Boy Ungas. Pass to Mangrigor. Now to Mangrigor dribbling the ball. Mangrigor tumira ng 3 para kay Marites. Now to Tiborcio. Pass to Mangrigor. Mangrigor shot. Doesn't make it. Power rebound by Banky. Now to Banky. Pass to Pororo. Pororo power dunk. Follow up na naman. Now to Sakuragi. Pass to Mangrigor. Mangrigor shot. Asintado talaga si Mangrigor. Now to Pacboy. Pass to Butchokoy. Butchokoy pinasa kay Banky. Banky pumesto sa 3. Buti na lang naawa. And now to Boy Ungas. Pass to Mangrigor. Mangrigor shot. Doesn't make it, na rebound ni Sakuragi. Sakuragi shot. Ang ganda ng fadeaway follow up. Now to Boy Ungas. Pass to Mangrigor. Mangrigor, iniisip kung nasan si Tanggol. Mangrigor pumukol. 1 point by Mangrigor. And now to Pacboy. Pass to Butchokoy. Butchokoy hinaharas ni Boy Ungas. Iniwanan si Boy Ungas, nag-layup pass by Pororo. Pororo another follow up dunk by Pororo. Now to Mangrigor. Pass to Tiborcio. Tiborcio nag-step side na iwan ng bola. Nakuha ni Pacboy shot. 1 point by Pacboy. Now to Pacboy, nakuha ni Banky. Banky, pass to Butchokoy. Butchokoy, pass to Pororo. Nababayaan sa kusina. Sa ilalim. And now to Boy Ungas. Boy Ungas, pass to Mangrigor. Mangrigor shot. Another 1 point by Mangrigor. And now to Pacboy. Pass to Butchokoy. Butchokoy gumagawa ng pangarap. Pinasa kay Pororo. Pororo na sobrahan sa bahaw. And now to Tiborcio. Tumira ng 3. Doesn't make it. Nakuha ni Mangrigor. Nag-jump shot crossover. Another 1 point by Mangrigor. And now to Pacboy. Pacboy dribbling the ball. Pacboy nag-running crossover sa ere. 1 point by Pacboy. And now to Mangrigor. Pass to Sakuragi. Sakuragi gumagawa ng pangarap. Pinasa kay Tiborcio. Tiborcio hindi pumasok. Nakuha ni Pororo. Pinasa kay Banky. Banky one-handed shot. Yes sir. And now to Pacboy, dribbling the ball, gustong iwanan si Mangrigor. Now to Pacboy, pass to Pororo, another follow-up dunk again by Pororo. And now to Mangrigor, pass to Tiborcio. Tiborcio nagmamadali, nag-jelly side step sa ere. What a move! Now to Pacboy, pass to Banky. Banky tumira ng 3, doesn't make it. Hinabol ni Boy Ungas ang bola, nakuha ni Mangrigor. Mangrigor nag-layup sa ere, boom, panes. Now to Butchokoy, pass to Pacboy, tumira ng 3. Ilista mo na yan. Tiburcio tumira ng tres, doesn't make it na rebound ni Pororo. Pororo pinasa Tiburcio, nag-gym pa sa ere. Yes sir, by Tiburcio. Now to Pacboy, nag-step side fade away, doesn't make it, nakuha ni Butchokoy. Now to Butchokoy, haras by Boy Ungas. Butchokoy, iniwanan si Boy Ungas ng luhaan, tinignan pa. Now to Boy Ungas shot, doesn't make it, nakuha ni Banky. Banky nag-floater jelly, Boy Ungas nag-amok sa ilalim. Now to Butchokoy, pass to Pacboy, Pacboy from downtown, Pacboy 3-point. Now to Mangrigor, pass to Sakuragi, Sakuragi take from the 3, doesn't make it, rebound by Pororo. Pororo shot, doesn't make it, rebound again by Pororo. Pororo shot, doesn't make it again by Tiburcio, doesn't make it, Sakuragi for follow-up. Now to Tiburcio, take from the 3, doesn't make it, rebound by Sakuragi. Sakuragi pinapalo up, tatlong attempt hindi pumasok, nakuha ni Pacboy. Now to Pacboy, nag-jump shot, jelly, oh, what a shot. And now to Mangrigor, Mangrigor dribbling the ball. Mangrigor sinusubukan mag-euro step sa ere pero di pumasok, pero na-rebound ulit ni Mangrigor. What a power play by Mangrigor. And now to Butchokoy, pass to Pacboy. Pacboy nagpaula ng tres, baha ang court by Pacboy. And now to Tiburcio, Tiburcio take from the 3, doesn't make it, pero si Mangrigor ay wild open sa ilalim. And now to Boy Ungas, hinahabol ang ex niya, este yung bola, nakuha ni Sakuragi, pinasa kay Mangrigor, Mangrigor lay up from free throw line, yes sir. And now to Butchokoy, tumira ng tres, kulang sa sabaw, na-rebound ni Banky, doesn't make it, nag-reverse Banky, pero hindi pumasok, sabi ni Mangrigor, ganito lang kasimple. And now to Butchokoy, pass to Pacboy. Now to Pacboy, dribbling the ball. Pacboy, sinusubukang pigilan ni Boy Ungas, dinouble team ni Mangrigor, kahit dalawa pa kayo, di nyo kaya, sabay fade away jelly, 1 point by Pacboy. And now to Mangrigor, pass to Pacboy, Pacboy shot, blocked by Sakuragi. Now si Boy Ungas, hinahabol yung bola, tirang Pacquiao, mag-boxing ka na lang. And now to Tiburcio shot, tumira ng tres, yes sir. And now nagkagulo sa ere, nakuha ni Mangrigor, tinatakbo ang bola sa presento. Now to Mangrigor, screen by Boy Ungas, nag-floater jump shot, yes sir by Mangrigor. And now to Pacboy, Pacboy pass to Banky, now to Banky, nag-jump shot step side sa perimeter, yes sir. And now to Mangrigor, nag-file ng kaso, hindi naprubahan, power rebound by Banky. And now to Banky, nag-ala JB Durant, yes sir. Now to Pororo, nag-step side sa ere, doesn't make it, power rebound by Sakuragi. Now to Sakuragi, nakita si Mangrigor, nag-netrex and shell sa tres, sabay tira, what a shot. And now to Pacboy, pass to Butchokoy. Butchokoy sinubukang mag-crocs move, pero sabi ni Sakuragi, mag-seminar ka muna. And now to Tiburcio, tumira ng tres, doesn't make it, nakuha ni Boy Ungas. Now to Boy Ungas, pinasa kay Sakuragi, Sakuragi nag-euro step 1-2-5, what a shot by Sakuragi. And now to Butchokoy, pass to Pacboy, iniisip kung paano makakalusot, masyado kayong marami dyan sa loob, kaya dito ako sa labas by Pacboy. And now to Butchokoy, pass to Pacboy, now to Pacboy, nag-low dribble, now to Pacboy, pass to Pororo, and now to Pororo, nag-jump shot layup, what a shot. And now to Mangrigor, pass to Tiburcio, now to Tiburcio, nag-jump shot sa ere, yes sir by Tiburcio. And now to Tiburcio again, tumira sa side, doesn't make it, rebound by Banky, nakuha ni Pacboy. Now to Pacboy, harass by Boy Ungas, kahit sumabay ka ba, sabay jump shot, jelly layup, yes sir. And now to Boy Ungas, pass to Sakuragi, Sakuragi shot from the 3, doesn't make it, nag-rebound sa ere, nakuha ni Pacboy. Now to Pacboy, pass to Pororo, Pororo kumaldag pa sa ere, yes sir, what a shot by Pororo. And now to Sakuragi, pass to Mangrigor, now to Mangrigor, dribbling the ball, iniisip kung saan nagtatago si Tanggol, sabay pumukol, ayoko, bata pa ko. And now to Boy Ungas, pass to Tiburcio, take from the 3, bang, end of the ball game, and the winner is Team Boy Ungas. Maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits ulit tayo sa susunod na game. See you guys!